Hi, this is Tim from Positive Panic Attacks, and I'm here to help you live a more healthy lifestyle. And today I wanted to talk about natural herbal treatment for foot fungus or athlete's foot. Now, these pictures are showing extreme examples. Now, I would imagine if you're suffering from athlete's foot, it's nowhere near as bad as this. But if left untreated, it can lead to these extreme cases. Now, there are various types of foot fungus, but by far the most common is athlete's foot, and it affects the sole of the foot and the skin between the toes, and it can cause scaling, flaking and itchiness of the skin, and can lead to weeping and oozing if your skin starts to crack. It affects athletes and non-athletes, so it's basically transmitted anywhere where you walk barefooted in public showers, swimming pools, bathhouses, and it requires a moist environment, hence it tends to develop and spread inside the shoe where it's hot and moist. It can be extremely difficult and time consuming to treat foot fungus. It normally takes about 45 days to totally cure it, with the help of proper medication. Now if you click on the link now, it will take you to an article I've written where you can find the best medications for athlete's foot or foot fungus. But there are herbal treatments which can be just as effective, so I'll go into more detail about them. Right, the first one I wanted to talk about is by far the most commonest herbal treatment for athlete's foot, and it's tea tree oil. Now, this is very good for treating foot fungus, but sometimes it doesn't treat the underlying infection, so sometimes it's not that successful. Anyway, if you click here, it'll give you more information on tea tree oil, but there is another one I wanted to talk about which is by far more successful treatment for fungus than tea tree oil. Right, the smoke tree. Now this is a tried and tested herbal treatment for foot fungus. It's also known as the smoke bush, and is basically a common garden shrub, and it grows in dry, infertile soils. The great thing about the smoke tree is it's got antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, and is a powerful agent against fungi. It's mostly applied for external use, because if you was to drink it in high quantities, you probably end up being sick. So how to use it? Well, to successfully treat foot fungus, prepare a highly concentrated infusion of the smoke tree leaves by boiling about 40 grams of the leaves in about 400 milliliters of water for about 20 minutes. Then you need to strain the leaves out of the water and dilute the warm water until it's basically bearable for your feet to go into the water. And then you keep your feet in the water until the water cools down, and you should do this about once a day for a month or up to 40 days, and that should cure your fungus around your feet. Next, I wanted to talk about basic prevention of athlete's foot. So there's lots of things you can do, but the main ones are you should not be sharing your shoes, your towels and bath mats with other people, because if you have it, you're going to spread it to other people. And again, don't walk barefoot in public areas, because that's probably where you caught it. So wear sandals in locker rooms, swimming pools and communal showers, and basically keep dry feet, practice good hygiene, and always wear your sandals in public places. Hopefully that helps. If you want any more information, then click on the link below, and you'll get taken to an article that gives you more information and tells you about what I've just spoken about. Thanks for listening. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.